Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings and product reviews. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're already here. It would mean the world to me. And guys, thank you so much for returning. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy and leave a comment down below telling me how your day is going and what you thought of the video. I love hearing from you guys. So today, as you can see, we have our Vino box. I'm so excited. I love this subscription. This is a seasonal or quarterly subscription, and it's a wine subscription. What? Yes. So Vino does send this to me for review, so thank you, Vino, so much. I do greatly appreciate it. So what Vino is, again, like I said, it is a seasonal subscription. It is $59.99 a season. You get 2 bottles of wine and goods, treats. You get lifestyle products, and there's always a amazing yummy treat in this box as well. And what I like too is you can customize as far as the wines, so you can let them know if you prefer red, if you prefer white, if you want a mix of red and white, or if you prefer sweet. So I have wine here. I'm going to show you what I got as far as the wine and what I got in the box for this season. I'm so excited about the wine and the box that my mind is just like, wine. So we have our first bottle here, and this is a 2018 California Chardonnay. So we have a Chardonnay, which is awesome. We have a Cabernet, also 2018 California Cabernet. So you're covered white, red. We do also have a third bottle, and this is a 2017 Riesling. Now, the reason we have a third bottle, because like I said, it comes with 2. But if I will put a link down below along with a promo code, and if you use that link and promo code and sign up for Vino, you will receive a third bottle with your first box. But y'all, the best part is now, for a limited time, you will also receive a third bottle for the entirety of your subscription. So as long as you keep the subscription active after you sign up using the link and promo code below in the description box, you will get 3 bottles of wine every season with this subscription, which is amazing. Their wines are valued $21 to $25 based on the wine and everything. So basically you're getting that free. So I think that is amazing. I think it's great. Like I said, it's a limited time offer, so jump on it. If you were on the edge with Vino, that should definitely be like, oh, I'm good now. So those are our 3 wines for the season. So let's get in the box and see what goods we got. Lifestyle goods. It does all come in a bigger box, and everything, y'all, they have a way to protect the wine bottles and get this box in there inside this bigger box, and it is just amazing. I've never had a bottle arrive broken or anything. They have mastered the art of packing wine and this other box inside of another box. You see all of these goods. Oh my gosh. All right, so they do have cards. They have cards that give you the prices of all of the items inside, and that is right here. I'm not going to show you too much because I don't want to give away what's in here. And it does add up. So this box, not counting the third bottle of wine, the 2 bottles of wine and what is in the box is over $124. So you're getting double your money. I think that is great. And then when you add on the third bottle of wine on top of that, that's $21 to $25. This is a really great deal, especially, like I said, if you are a wine lover and you just like to get other goods that treat yourself and are fun. And like I said, there's always a yummy, yummy snack. So this is the Oh For Me box. So I'm sorry, $21 to $26 is the value of the wine. So we'll keep this here for reference as far as pricing on the items. So we will just get started here. And the first item I'm excited about because I love these. I have quite a few and I am very excited to add another one to my collection. And that is the Swig stemless wine glass. This is stainless steel. It's 14 ounces. So this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful rose gold color, which I love, with these teal accents. It's like a silicone bottom, so you don't have to worry about it slipping. So this says more chill, less refills. This cup from Swig has an unbreakable construction that makes it perfect for enjoying chilled wine and cocktails by the pool, hot tea in the morning, or even ice cream sundaes before bed. It will keep drinks cold up to 9 hours and hot up to 3 with its triple insulation technology, and has a slip-free, scratch-free, and noise-free silicone base. Oh, perfect. And it is dishwasher safe top rack. And again, it's 14 ounces. So there is that. Now, I do want to let you guys know that most of these items will have a promo code for the site or the brand. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know and I can give you those promo codes. But yeah, so there is this guy, and this is valued at $32. So very excited for that one. And then the next item is from Broken Top Candle Company. This is their white birch linen spray. So there is that. Let's see what they say about this. Natural and versatile, this organic-based linen spray is made with witch hazel water, tea tree oil, and white willow bark for a luxurious experience. Safe for skin, room, and linen, this white birch scent is a perfect representation of mountain air, with notes of cypress, pine, and a tad of eucalyptus. It creates a scent that is calming and perfect for any season. It is paraben, gluten, and phthalate free. It is also vegan. Love that. So let's give it a shake and see what it smells like. And this is $16. Oh, okay. At first, I didn't know because of the pine and stuff, because I'm one of those people that, like, at Christmas time, I don't really like the pine scented candles, like the Christmas tree scented candles. But this, I guess it's just the combination of everything. This smells fantastic, and I'm going to spray my sheets and everything down with this tonight. I really like that guy. All right, so then the next item here we have is, and I love these. I have had a couple of these and other products from this brand, which I love, and it's Daily Concepts. And this is a little like plush headband, and this is $12. Comfortably control your hair with this soft and flexible headband. The elastic band in this headband makes for a comfortable fit and absorbs excess moisture such as water and sweat. It's perfect to use to sweep your hair off your face when cleansing or applying a face mask, or even to control your hair as you apply makeup. Oh yes, it is machine washable. It just says do not bleach. So we have that guy. All right, and then we have got, it's gorgeous, whatever it is. Let me get the plastic off. All right, so I got the plastic off. So it says Sticky Notes. This is from C.R. Gibson Sticky Note Folio. This is a $10 value. And also, I do want to say this looks like it could have come in a different design. And the stemless wine glass could have also come in a different design. It looks like it could have come in like a white and silver, like marble look. So, but there is what that looks like. And then when you open it, love this. So you've got a notepad here. It says, remember this. And then all of these are sticky. So make it work, hustle, memos, and then this one is blank. So all of this whole side here are sticky notes, and then this is just like a regular notepad. I think this is great. This is going to sit right there on my desk so I can jot things down. I love this. I think this is so cute and pretty and just functional. I love it. So get things done in style with this C.R. Gibson sticky note folio. With multiple areas to jot down thoughts and create to-do list, you are sure to stay organized whether at home or on the go. It's 50 sheets per pad. And like I said, it does say that designs may vary. So this I love. And like I said, it is a $10 value. All right, and then the next item is a bracelet, and it is tickled pink clay charm bracelet. Oh, I love this. Okay. So this says brilliantly colored handmade clay and bronze plated metal beads were artfully crafted to create this unique bracelet just for you. Each bracelet includes an antique bronze metal charm offering words of encouragement for you throughout the day. It's the perfect feel-good fashionable accessory. And it says that the bracelet colors and sayings may vary. I've got like a bluish a blue. It's very pretty, and I love that I love the saying that's on my little charm here. It says, "Never, never give up." I love that so much. But here you can see it. You could have gotten different colors with different sayings. This is valued at $8. That is one thing about Vino that I do also really appreciate. They do not at all overinflate the prices of their items. So let's see what else we have got. Our last item is our yummy treat, and it's in a tube. Dark chocolate covered sunflower seeds. Oh my gosh, $4. Sunflower Food Company dark chocolate sunny seeds. Indulge your sweet tooth with these dark chocolate covered sunflower seeds from Sunflower Food Company. A great source of protein and vitamin B, these sunflower seeds are great to eat alone or to use as a topping on yogurt, pancakes, or ice cream. Oh, yum. It's a 3-ounce tube, and it says a flip top lid. Open. It's like a big, what are they? A big, not Pez. Oh, dropped one. I'll have to get it. Tic Tac. Let's see. Dropped another one. Y'all, I love sunflower seeds. Like, I'll put them on my salad and things like that. These are amazing. Like, these are so good because they have that slight saltiness from like the sunflower seed, but the dark chocolate is not too overpowering as far as like bitterness. These are actually a pretty sweet snack, but they're not overly sweet. I love these. So we got the dark chocolate covered sunflower seeds. We got this beautiful bracelet, again with the quote, "Never, never give up." I love that so very much. We got the little sticky note journal notepad. Love it. The linen spray, which smells fantastic. I'm so surprised. We got the headband to keep our hair out of our face whenever we're doing masking or makeup or whatever. And we got the Swig stemless wine glass. I love that it came with the straw and it has the silicone base. None of my other ones have this base. I really like that. So that's unique. And then of course our 3 bottles of wine. So I think this was a fantastic box. So this was the for me Vino box, and I just love it. I'll put that link down below. Guys, don't forget the link, the promo code will get you all of this with the 3rd bottle, and the third bottle will come with every box as long as you don't cancel your subscription. So let me know what you think down below. I love hearing from you guys. A special thank you to our channel members for your support. It means so much. It helps our channel, and I just appreciate you guys more than you know. If you are not a channel member, I still love you guys. You're still here. You're still supporting our channel by watching. I love all of you. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.